So let's talk a little bit about why starting out as a bird dog is the best way to start out, right? When I started in real estate, I worked for my mentor, Ben, for 2 years as a bird dog looking for deals for him. And when I found a deal, I got paid. And this is the best way to learn for a bunch of reasons. Reason number one is because you're not risking any of your own cash or credit. It means you can't lose any money. You can't make a mistake, right? Reason number two is it's a learning process. So if you think you've got a great house under contract and you bring it to someone like me and I say, hey, I don't want to buy this house, or I can't find an investor who wants to buy this house, then what you know is your deal is actually a dud, or it's not cheap enough to get investor attention. So learning how to be a bird dog is the best way for you to start out. Once you know how to identify a deal and you know how to move those deals to other investors, you can then transition to becoming a full-time wholesaler, or you can buy rentals, fix and flips, or Airbnbs, but it all starts out with learning how to find a deal. So if you want one skill that could be a skill set that could have you set for life, it's learning how to find wholesale deals. Because I promise you, there are literally millions of people out there looking for great houses to buy, fix and flip, or buy, fix and rent. And they need houses. That's why we need you as a bird dog. If you can learn the skill set and you know how to find houses, that's the first step to becoming an independent wholesaler or buying rentals or fix and flips for yourself. So being a deal finder is hands down the best way for you to start out.